Guys, we're recording right
Okay,
now,
good night, Tom.
but they're people are like role playing, but like they're like
I can't wait to go into this.
well,
They're going to bed, so this is perfect time.
yeah, so we can get in. And my friend Dylan is right here. It's not Hyper, but it's my brother Dylan, DILN. So I'm just gonna climb over the fences and okay, so since wait,
oh, she's right there.
oh god, she's right there.
Okay.
Star.
I dressed up as a girl for a role play.
Yeah. Okay, let's just like wait.
No, we smell so stupid. I think she's in the danger right now. I think she's in the danger.
Yeah, it's like there's a danger room like right there. Oh god, I almost
so
not. I almost
I
not.
hope it's not
Yeah. You know, I've been busy in my life. Oh my gosh, she's coming.
What?
No, never mind.
I'm like running
Yeah.
out right now.
I'm tweaking, dude.
Stop.
Wait.
She's coming out. Run.
Run! Oh,
The teenager's coming out.
dang, my fat legs can't jump over.
Okay, so we do not have guests here. So
Dylan, hope, Dylan!
Okay, we're on time.
Dylan, no! Apple
I
me!
can actually look at
Dylan, oh.
Okay, so I think she's still in that no
I'm
danger
stinky,
room,
that's why.
So we'll get back with you when she gets out of that no danger room.
So my friend is thinking of like a plan to get in, but she's still in there, so
Close the door.
like she's been in there for like a couple minutes. I'm like, oh, I don't want to wait all that time. So like, what do I do? I don't really know what to do, so let's just think more. You guys can comment down below. Psych.
Okay, so I don't know if it's just her room now because they keep going in the kitchen, and that's supposedly where the room is.
Yeah.
But I think that the danger zone is probably. I hope it's not Chemical X. If it's Chemical X, then that's bad.
That's really bad. Like if it's Chemical X, then well, yeah, Bloxburg will be over. Like either Bloxburg will be over or Pokken Hyper will.
She said, "Can I please get roommate? I am guest, not roommate." And you are not roommate. And you are guest, not roommate. So
we.
Stop it.
I like to ride.
I said no.
Oh my god, yeah.
Fishy.
Yeah. Really fishy. She's like, I said no, or maybe that's her real one.
Okay, so
maybe
I guess they're going out. Oh my god. Did she just block her back?
She just.
Did she just block her?
Yeah. Dude. Wait. Hook.
I think she blocked
Yeah,
her.
I think she just blocked it.
Or kicked her out.
Star, what do I do?
Oh
what do I do? What do I do?
The danger zone is still close. So we'll get back to you guys when it's open, I guess.
And a couple minutes later, she just left. So sorry we can't continue this video, but I hope that you guys like this video. Also smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.